Hello guys, this video I want to show you about how to reach the Maldives from Dubai and Dubai to Maldives budget packages. Visiting the Maldives from Dubai can be more fun if you secure our personalized Dubai Maldives honeymoon and family holiday packages. You can read what to know before your Maldives getaway and how to go about booking the best budget-friendly Maldives packages and deals for Dubai nationalities. How to reach the Maldives from Dubai. How to book the best Dubai Maldives tour packages. The search in these queries have always been popular. How come the Arabs can never have enough of the Maldives? For years, the Maldives has been one of the favorite holiday destinations for Arabs. It is no secret that the Maldives, a beautiful universe of unique geography, has something extraordinary that coaxes Arabs into a relentless admiration. This blog will tell you everything you need to know if you would like a Dubai Maldives honeymoon or family holiday vacation. Are there special Maldives packages for Dubai? What to consider if you fly to the Maldives from Dubai, and so on. Dubai and the Maldives. Geographical aspects. Although both Dubai and the Maldives belong to the same continent, Asia, there is a distance of 3,100 kilometers, 1,900 miles, from Dubai to the Maldives. Situated southeast of Dubai, the Maldives displays a peculiar geography composed of lagoons, shores, islands, islets, submerged reefs, and lush vegetation, quite unlike Dubai. Even if Dubai has considerable marine proximity, the whole island existence of the Maldives is really contrasting with Dubai's. In the Maldives, there are 1,000+ islands scattered across the Indian Ocean in such a way as to be called a chain of islands, hence the name the Maldives. Reaching Maldives from Dubai, flights and arrival. How to reach the Maldives from Dubai. Don't sweat it, the winged airborne conveyance is all set to take you from Dubai to the Maldives. The Maldives is just a 4 to 5 hour flight away from Dubai if you opt for a non-stop flight that Fly Dubai and Emirates fly. However, non-stop flights can cost you around 2,500 United Arab Emirates dirhams one way on average. Anyway, a more feasible option will be to opt for a one-stop flight run by SpiceJet, Vistara, Air India, and so on. A one-stop flight from Dubai to the Maldives will be around 1,100 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Nonetheless, your total flight time will go up to as much as 15 hours, considering the layover time. Things Arabs should know before their Maldives visit. Valena International Airport, MLE, should be your flight destination. Arabs don't need a pre-arrival visa to visit the Maldives. You only need to have your passport, hotel invoice, and a few $100s with you to clear the customs. The back-and-forth transfer between the airport and the resort will be part of the package. The currency of the Maldives is rufiya. 1 AED is equal to 4.18 rufiya. The convenient currency transaction will be in USD. All local shops in the Maldives accept USD. The official language of the Maldives is Divehi. However, you can hear English everywhere. In terms of the time difference, the Maldives is 1 hour ahead of Dubai. Is the Maldives Muslim-friendly, halal? Being a Muslim country, the Maldives is 100% Arab-friendly. Not only the local sectors of hospitality but the beach resort destinations in the Maldives as well work on halal concepts. Arabs and Muslims shall get halal meat varieties at the outlets of the Maldives beach resorts. On local islands and city islands, no people are encouraged to wear short dresses. Public beaches have restrictions on bikinis. However, there are adult-only beach resorts in the Maldives. Make sure you book a normal Maldives beach resort for your Dubai Maldives honeymoon and family holiday trips. How to get budget Dubai Maldives packages and deals. What is on your mind? A Dubai Maldives honeymoon? Or a Dubai Maldives family vacation? Whichever your intention behind your Dubai Maldives tour, we have the best budget-friendly Dubai Maldives packages and deals to give you the most out of your visit. We customize your Dubai Maldives itinerary with the right activities, meal plans, travel methods, and sheltering options. All you need to do is just let us know of your Dubai Maldives getaway and give us the felicity of arranging your Dubai Maldives honeymoon and family holiday on your behalf. Travel Connection Maldives, the best Maldives tour operator, makes Maldives celebrations hassle-free. Thank you for watching. Please wait the next video.